May mga paalala ka ba, Miss Peña Flor?
Ayan, meron po tayong paalala. So, kamakailan po ay naiulat na rin po natin ito, no? Ito pong Skyline Fireworks Festival. Ayan. Wow.
Skyline.
Hindi yun.
Hindi
yun. Ito pong Skyline Fireworks Festival ay gaganapin po ngayong araw, December 28. Mamaya na po yan at 7 p.m. Kita-kita po tayo sa SM City Clark. Prepare for an enchanting evening as Skyline illuminates the night and welcomes the new year with a breathtaking finale. The Skyline Fireworks Festival, now its second year, is set today at 7 p.m. featuring an awe-inspiring display of fireworks and lights synced to your favorite pop culture hits. The Fun Kicks po will start at 5:30 p.m. with DJ Richard Capulon dropping the beats and setting the vibe as the sun sets. Following this performance po, the Tron dancers will take the stage to dazzle attendees before the grand fireworks lights up the night. So join us for a magical night under the stars at the Skyline and bring your loved ones and friends to experience an unforgettable evening filled with joy, with music, and vibrant colors. So, kita-kita po tayo Skyline Fireworks Festival at SM City Clark at 7 p.m. But 5:30 pa lang nag-start na po ang tugtugan kasama si DJ Richard Capullo.
Anong oras yan?
7 p.m.
Saan?
SM City Clark.
Ayan. Kita-kita po tayo doon.
Kita-kita po tayo dyan.
Sabayan natin yung mga fireworks.
Yeah.
Hindi, ang ganda niyan!
Oo, ang ganda yan.
Oo,
Iba,
ganda yan.
different kinds of fireworks. And of
Oo.
course, professional po ang magla-light ng mga fireworks na yan.
Kung minsan, ano na yan, may kasama ng digital technology.
Ayan. No.
Hindi na mano-mano.
Oo, no.
Ano na yan, computer.
Computerized. Again, kita-kita po tayo. Mamaya po yan, 7 p.m. sa SM City Clark.
Sa
Skyline Fireworks Festival.
Fly away.
Iba yun.
Sky